Hello friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, welcome back to ElectroPixels. In today's video, we are going to repair a 32-inch Samsung Smart HD Ready LED TV that comes with a screwless back cover design. The complaint in this TV is that the sound and backlight are working properly, but there is no display on the screen. To begin with, since this model has a screwless back cover, we need to use an opener jig tool to safely remove it. You can notice small holes provided on both sides of the back cover. Insert the opener tool into these holes and apply gentle upward pressure to release the locking mechanism. After carefully unlocking all sides, we can remove the back cover completely. Now let's power on the TV and observe the condition. As you can see, when we tap lightly on the display panel, the backlight flickers. Which indicates that the panel is receiving some signal but not functioning correctly. This smart TV is equipped with a single COF Samsung panel and uses an SM4186 Dc IC. Before proceeding with the repair, let's measure all the panel voltages using a Fluke 101 multimeter. During measurement, we can confirm that the 12V input VCC and 3.3V supply are present and normal. However, other essential panel voltages such as vgh, vgl, and avdd are completely missing. This issue typically occurs due to internal shorting in the gate signal lines, which causes the SM4186 Dc IC to enter protection mode. Here you can see the gate signal tracks on both the right and left sides of the panel. To resolve this issue, we are going to apply the gate signal cutting method. First, using a sharp blade, we carefully cut the gate signal tracks on the right side. After performing this step, we power on the TV again, but the problem still remains the same. So next, we rejoin the previously cut right side tracks and proceed to cut the gate signal tracks on the left side. After completing this step and turning on the TV, you can now see that the display has started working normally and the picture is restored. However, it is very important to note that this method is only a temporary solution. The permanent fix for this issue is complete panel replacement. Also, the lifespan of the display after this repair cannot be guaranteed, as it entirely depends on the condition of the panel and usage. So that's it for today's repair video. Hope you found this helpful and informative. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ElectroPixels, and press the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for watching.